guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a lip swatch video. Today I am testing and swatching the Maybelline Lifter Glosses. So I have 3 shades that I'm going to be trying on today, testing them out, seeing what they look like. And I think they were around about $7.99 each, but there was an offer on in Superdrug. When you spend £14 on Maybelline, you get one free. I'm not sure if that offer will still be on now. I think it was when they first came out because I have had these for a while now, but they are pretty affordable anyway. So yeah, let's just get started. So first of all, I'm starting off with the shade Ice. Already, I absolutely love this shade. It is just basically a clear gloss, but I just think it looks so natural and so feminine on my face, on my skin colour, hair colour. It looks really nice, and feeling it, it's not sticky, it doesn't feel heavy or like dense on your lips. It feels really lightweight and comfortable to wear, so that's good. So this is the first shade. Next up I have the shade Reef. So I really like this one too. This is definitely more of a peachy shade. I would wear this more so in the summertime rather than like any other time of the year. It's definitely, this screams summer to me. This is, well, it's called Reef, so, you know, it does remind you of holidays, the coral reef and that kind of thing. This is really pretty. I think this looks really nice with my skin tone and my hair colouring. But yeah, this is definitely a summer shade for me. Again, no stickiness, super lightweight and comfortable on my lips. And then the final shade is called Silk. Again, love this one. This is definitely suiting my skin tone and my hair colouring. Reddy pink lips tend to suit me the best. I don't know why, it must be my colourings. But I really like this one. This is really pretty, feminine. It's a little bit bold, but not too bold. So yeah, I really like this one. I would say this one more so winter, autumn. But to be honest, you could wear these shades any time of the year. So yeah, I really like this one too. Okay, so those were all the swatches. I absolutely love all of them. My favourite though has to be the first one, Ice, which is like the clear gloss, the first one that I swatched. This is definitely my favourite. It is definitely my vibe. I also really liked the last one that I swatched, Silk, which is more of the reddish one. So those are my 2 favourites, but to be honest, I absolutely love them all. There are more shades, I just didn't pick up those shades. These are the only shades that I have. And like I said, they are pretty affordable too, so if you want to go out and grab some, get them. I will link them down below for you on Amazon as well if you are interested in purchasing them. I definitely think that they're worth the money. They are amazing. They feel really comfortable, soft on your lips, non-sticky. They don't feel heavy or uncomfortable on your lips. I don't know how long they last though, I haven't tested that, but I imagine they will be standard. You know, you will have to reapply throughout the day, but I'm definitely glad that I purchased them, and I would recommend them to you guys if you haven't tried them. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you found this helpful and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. Leave a comment down below if you've tried any of these lip glosses and let me know which one your favorite shade is. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!